Hi art friends, this is Emma, and today I'll show you step by step how to draw a cute Halloween pumpkin with candies. Let's get started. Let's first start by drawing the pumpkin. So at the center of the page, I am going to start in the center and draw a curved line out. That's the top of the pumpkin. Same on the other side. And then from here, let's bring it down. And at the bottom, we can close it. It doesn't have to be a straight line, so it can be slightly curved. So that's the shape of the pumpkin. And next, let's draw the eyes. So for the pumpkin, you can draw whatever eyes shape you like. For me, I'm just gonna start with something very simple. So a short line, curved line out, another curved line out, the very basic pumpkin eye, and I am going to shade it in black. On the other side, I'm going to draw the same sized eye, starting with the short line first, and then a curved line out, followed by another curved line. And this is the part that you can make your art very unique. You can design the shape of the eyes that you want. There. And let's draw a little triangle. So again, you can draw whatever shape you like for the nose and shade it in black. Now let's draw a big mouth, because what we're gonna do is we're going to put a lot of candies in the mouth. So I'm gonna start by drawing a very wide line. That's the top of the mouth. And then from there, I am going to bring it down, right, towards the center right here. And do the same on the other side to close it off. And I would like to draw some teeth. So I'm gonna start by drawing a little upside down triangle here and on the other side, and some smaller triangles at the bottom. So where do we put our candies? I'm going to put them right here. So for example, I am going to draw like a curved line as a candy and add some wrappings around it. And my son's favorite is lollipops. So I'm gonna draw a circle. That's a lollipop, and we can color them later. And what candy do you like? So you can draw whatever candy you like. And for me, I'm just gonna draw something that's very generic. Now let's draw a hat. So from here on the side, slightly above the eye, see right here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes out. Okay, and then from here I am going to curve it down slightly and then bring it back to the other side. Okay, so curve it down and bring it up. Now, from this point, I am going to draw a reference point on the other side. And then I am gonna bring this head out that's my head. And I am going to draw another curve that follows the same curve as the outside. Now let's draw the top of the head. So I'm gonna start by drawing a line from here over there. And this is the tip of the head. So I am going to draw a small angle that comes down. Bring it back. And then from here on, I am going to make that line connect to this part of the head. So I'm going to draw some wiggly lines, okay, and connect back to this point. And I'm going to draw a smaller pumpkin right here in the middle as a decoration to the head. Some decorations over here as well. A really big candy. There. So let's color it. I'm going to fast forward, but please feel free to pause if you need. And that is the cute Halloween pumpkin with candies. We filled the pumpkin with a lot of candies, and feel free to make this art your own by drawing your favorite candies in the pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss the weekly uploads. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.